The seas come around the capital of the Sultanate. The omnipresent rocky hills seem to be lost in the unusual splendor of its majestic monuments. Hark! There is a rumbling of wheels from the distance. The promise of surging excitement is already in the air. The Oman Automobile Association is at it again. This time with a never-before fiesta for motorsport fans. A 3-day international event wrapping up its weekend season. It's a carnival of wheels from March 17 to 19 to be kicked off with the Oman Drift Grand Finale, King of Desert. A 24 hours endurance race. And the Oman International Gymkhana Challenge. Drivers from across the peninsula, viewers from around the world. Be there for the band.